Hello, today I'm going to show you how to check the coolant level of your windshield wiper liquid in a city Ibiza. So you're using for that an refractometer. We are going to use a pipette to suck a little bit of the windshield washer liquid out of the tank, out of the area where the liquid should be. And then, of course, we are getting 3 drops approximately on our refractometer. That's enough, okay? So close the lid, and we are going to have a look on the scale of the refractometer as well, of course. And we look in the center of it, and we look now and can read there is a degrees Celsius range in the middle area, and we can see here G11, G12, or G13, or of course on the right side we see the windshield wiper liquid, and we can read how much down in the temperature we can go with that machine. After this, we make a little clean out of that refractometer, and we can go back on the road, or of course we can top up a little bit until it reaches our level which we like to prefer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!